Hi, I'm Nick from Benchmark Estimating. Today I'm going to take you through the function called cost check. What does the cost check function do? So the cost check function checks to see if the rate for resources has been updated in the resource library and checks against the resource rates being used in your current project. If there are any differences between the project rates and library rates, then you are given the opportunity to either update those or for all the project rates, or to keep them as they are. All right, so in order to do this, we need to make sure that our project has been completed. Otherwise, this isn't going to work. Okay, so that's now locked all of our resources in a project from being updated. So if I go to the Go To option here, or if I go right click, we can find Go To, and we're looking for cost check. There are no changes. All right, so that's perfect. Go OK. All right, so if I go to our resource library and say I go and find our Bobcat, an operator. All right, our Bobcat and operator is in here at $158 an hour. So if I edit here in the resource library and I make that 170 and then go green tick, we then get this warning that comes up. Any changes made will update linked data. That's the grey fields that we see in all linked resources, in all incompleted projects and project items, and in all sub items not used within a completed project item. Are you sure you want to make these changes? Note, suppliers are not changed during this process. These changes cannot be undone. Yes or no? So we'll just go yes. So the resource library rate increases from 158 to 170. I'll minimize this and then I'll go to again and click on cost check. And now we have this window opens up. Okay, so now you can see that we've got our 3 Bobcat and operators that are appearing within our project. So it's highlighting we've got those 3 resources. We can see in our project that they're $158, but in our resource library, they're $170. So we've got the option either to reprice, all right, so you can click to relink them all that sort of thing. So you can do what you need to here, and then you go green tick and cancel. So in this instance, we're not going to worry about this, so we'll just go cancel. I will bring back the resource library, highlight our operator, go edit, back to 158. And again, our message appears about the change we're about to make. Yes, we're happy with making that change. Back to 158. Close that window, back to cost check. And there are no changes. There you have it. All right, so I'm Nick from Benchmark Estimating. Hope you got some value from this training on cost check, and talk to you soon. Bye.